Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explain how to connect Apple Watch Series 8 with an Android phone in 2026. Now, a lot of people ask if it is possible, and the answer might surprise you. So without further delay, let's break it down simply. So first of all, you need to understand that Apple Watch doesn't officially work with Android phones. Apple only allows Apple Watch to pair with an iPhone. So you can't directly connect or pair Apple Watch Series 8 to Android like Bluetooth headphones. But there is a limited workaround that some people use. So here it how it actually works. For this, you will need an iPhone, even a borrowed one. In it, you need to turn on Apple Watch and pair it with the iPhone normally using the Watch application. Now, once the setup is complete, you need to insert a SIM or the eSIM in the Apple Watch if it supports cellular. After that, you need to keep the watch powered on and signed into your Apple ID. Now you can use some basic features without the iPhone nearby, like you can make the calls, you can do the messages, fitness tracking and notifications through the mobile data. But the downside of this particular method is that you won't be able to get access to all of the features like installation of the applications or updates or syncing the photos or replying properly to the messages, and you still need an iPhone sometimes for updates or resetting the watch. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.